ho, hey ho, let's go. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho. You want me to need a stick? Let me take a stick. You never know.
Guys, family, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lydia Deborah, in case you didn't already know. I already have a wash video on my channel, but today I decided we're doing it here at the waterfall, because here in Grenada that's something that you normally would do. It's very normal, common to go to the river or to the waterfall and bathe, wash your hair, things like that. Let's go. See, I told you, I'm not the only one who's here for a wash day. Starting off by undoing my flat twists, and you know we're doing it gently because we don't want to bust up the ends and end up with splits and all of that. And I was also taking my time with it because, as you can see, those two dudes in the background, they were waiting for their friend to get finished with washing his hair. I told you we be doing this. It's a thing, okay? And I'm smelling my hair because it smelled like smoke because of the previous day's adventure, which, by the way, is already up on my channel, and you can check that out right here. I am going to attempt to stand underneath the waterfall. No idea if it's actually going to work because some dudes were trying and they didn't manage. So anyways, mom is going to film and we'll see what happens. Yeah. And you know I realized, when you haven't been jumping river stones in a while, you get rusty at that shit. It's not like riding a bicycle. That's why I'm looking so geriatric, jumping from stone to stone. Well, let me do wash face. Check my little celebratory wine. Almost there. The first step in any wash video is to get your hair wet, right? So yeah, I'm trying to get out there. Not going to lie, I was a little bit scared because all those rocks that you see underneath the waterfall, when I was young, those were not there. So in my head, more rocks could come falling down like any time. Starting off with these ones. I've been using this scalp scrub from Scalpology for a while now. I started to use their series when I was looking for unscented hair products, and while this one is not unscented because it does contain menthol, I really like it. It does not lather. You simply apply it to your scalp, you massage it in, and let me tell you, when you rinse, the scalp feels so clean, and because of that menthol, whoo, your scalp feels like it's breathing. And now it's time to rinse. As you can see, I decided to pick a different spot to rinse my hair. It was a bit of a struggle trying to find that, like a good spot to wet my hair to rinse it, because you know you want the right amount of water pressure, for lack of a better way to say it. But yeah, and looking back at the footage, I thought it was going to be a lot more graceful looking, but you know, at the end of the day, I came to wash my hair, and that's what I did. So it is what it is. And now for the shampoo, I'm using an anti-dandruff shampoo, again from Scalpology. This one is unscented. I really like going in with this one after the scalp scrub. Technically, I don't need to apply the shampoo to my scalp, the shampoo to my scalp after I've already done the scalp cleanse, but it's kind of like a habit thing. I do it anyway, and I figure if there was anything that got left behind after the scalp cleanse, then the shampoo is going to get it. And once again, it's time to rinse as I take a few geriatric steps into the pool of the waterfall and take a dive. And now it's time to condition. I'm not gonna lie, at this point I was kind of tired. I was getting fed up of wash day, to be very honest, and my mom was ready to leave. The sun had already disappeared behind the hills, so it was also getting a bit chilly, and you know the waterfall also generates its own wind. I'm using a conditioner from V05. I used to use the Scalpology conditioner, again because it's unscented, but I just did not like it for my hair. I didn't feel like there was enough slip. Although when I did used to use it used to actually like lather in a sense. Like it would get all foamy and light. I did like that, but it just didn't have enough slip to be able to detangle my hair. And I know like pretty much all the natural girlies know that V05 is a go-to, and it has been a go-to since we were kids. So I figured, let me just grab this and go for it. The back of my hair has tighter curls, so it tends to have more tangles, and I think also because you sleep on the back of your head, it tends to get more matted. So what I do is I finger detangle. I start by separating the hair from the scalp, and that tends to make it easier to go in with the comb afterwards, like just to get rid of the biggest tangles and most of the matting. And now it is finally time for the final rinse. Listen, the detangling process took a minute, and I was more than ready to be done. And of course, I had to have my little slow-mo moment. Wait for it.
I haven't put any moisturizer in. It's getting a bit late and mom wants to leave, and also the water's getting a bit cold. Although I'd have to get back into the water, so I probably could have. But anyways, yeah, it's time to be, time to leave. And for those of you who are still tuned in, just enjoy the walk out of the bush back to the second falls with us. Yeah, and for those of you who want to leave the video now, thank you so much for watching. And until the next one, take care of yourself. Bye bye. Mommy, you tired? I love when bamboo leaves cover the ground. You want me to come back and hold you? When you hold the stick? it, girl. Reach, yay! For those of you who are with us this long, it's now the end of the vlog. My hair is clean, I just have to moisturize it, and I'll see you in the next video. And until that one, take care of yourself. Bye bye. Mommy, say bye bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye.